Hi everyone, my name is Brittany Ketchum and I am currently a case manager. I work with people who have a substance use disorder and who are re-entering the community from jail. I haven't had much experience with generalist social work practices and um, adding interventions or theories into my work with my clients, but I'm really looking forward to learning about those. And I would say that is definitely one of my assets, that I enjoy learning about this and the things that come along with this field. I would also say that I am very willing, so I'm very willing to learn about different things, very willing to try new things, very willing to engage in conversations with people about ideas and opinions and things of that nature. In addition, I'd also say that I'm very friendly and approachable, which I feel you really need to be in this field, and also you need to be towards your fellow classmates so that we can, work together to get things done or to talk about things and further each other's education. So I'm really looking forward to this course and to working with all of you. Thank you so much.